guys, I'm Levi and welcome back to another video. I finally did it. I built my new PC and I'm totally stoked. It turned out great. This thing is absolutely insane. Over the school holidays past, I finally finished saving for my PC parts and I built it with my mate Ruben. So shop bro, thank you for helping me out with that one. This video I'm basically just going to go through all the parts and show a time lapse of me building it as well. And then I'm going to show the finished product with a bit of a montage. It's pretty sick. It's all custom built. I chose out all the parts individually and put it together. And be prepared for a bit of RGB because it's pretty stacked. Alright, so let's get into the parts. Starting off this list, we have the processor, which is an Intel Core i5-8400, which is a 6-core CPU with 6 threads. This thing is a bit of a beast, particularly for the price. For my motherboard, I went with the Asus ROG Strix H370i in the mini ITX form factor. This motherboard also comes with an RGB strip and an integrated Wi-Fi adapter. The GPU I'll be going with is the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card. I don't need to go overboard with the 2080 Ti, so this guy will fit nicely into this build. The next component is my memory. I went with the Corsair Vengeance Pro 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM. And it's gonna look really sick with the customizable RGB lighting. For my storage, I went nice and simple with a 480GB Crucial BX500 SSD. My CPU cooler is the CryoRig M9 Plus, which comes with two 92mm fans. Speaking of fans, I purchased a 3-pack of Thermaltake Pure Plus RGB radiator fans. Yeah, I know they are radiator fans. I accidentally purchased them without spotting that. But it all worked out in the end and they work completely fine as normal 120mm air cooling fans. And for the power supply, I chose the 550-watt Cooler Master MWE Gold PSU. It's also fully modular, which is not only going to help with cable management in a small case, but it will give me flexibility in the future if I want to purchase custom cables. And finally, for the case, I bought the Phanteks Enthoo Evolve Mini ITX, and this model has tempered glass and comes in a black colorway. This case looks epic, and it's nice and small, so it will give me more desk space. Here is some footage of building the PC itself.
Yeah, used to think I was fine on my own, yeah. Had a house, but you made it a home. I'll be your light on your darkest day. Just don't love me half of the way. Used to carry the weight of it all, yeah. Before I had you there to break my fall. Pay no mind to what your friends may say. Just don't love me half of the way. We're half of the way to being broken hearted. We're half of the way unless you let me in. We're half of the way from being back to the start. So don't love me half of the way. I can see you were lonesome as me, yeah. You said you could use some company, yeah. I chip away, but your walls don't break. You still love me half of the way. We're half of the way from being broken hearted. We're half of the way unless you let me in, darling. We're half of the way from being back to the start. So don't love me half of the way. You can say that it's only a game. I don't mind playing the fool, but nobody wants to hold half of a hand, and nobody breaks half the rules. No, no. to being broken hearted. We're half of the way, unless you let me in, darling. We're half of the way from being back to the start. So don't love me half of the way. Whoa, whoa, we're half of the way, yeah, baby. Oh yeah, we're half of the way, yeah. We're half of the way from being back to the start. So don't love me.
So that's everything, guys. I'm pretty stoked with the final outcome, and now my entire desk setup is finished. Also guys, my next subscriber goal is 200, so I'd really appreciate it if you dropped a sub down below. It only takes you about 2 seconds. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and comment down below. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I will see you in the next video. See ya.